Fox Business Alert, there is one sector that appears to have no worries about an AI bubble, and that would be the hyperscalers, the ones that build the huge data centers that power the compute needed to run artificial intelligence. They are on track to spend $630 billion this year to erect the massive centers. And the sheer magnitude of it is sparking, investor jitters about returns and whether the spending at this pace is sustainable. But the demand signals keep coming. Google parent Alphabet tested investor appetite for AI debt with a rare 100-year, $1 billion UK pound bond sale, and it was met with huge interest despite weak credit protections. And today, Vertiv stands among the picks and shovel winners of the AI boom. Vertiv provides power and cooling products for data centers, similar to how HVAC companies service homes and businesses. Vertiv shares right now are hitting an intraday all-time high of $249.95. Look at this gain of more than 24%, as Wall Street sees the power and cooling bottleneck getting tighter and the demand still there. However, Elon Musk's SpaceX already hiring for roles focused on developing data centers in space. Up there in space, in orbit. If space is the next frontier for data centers, how do infrastructure and hardware providers prepare to meet the needs of orbit? Joining me now, first on Fox Business, is Vertiv CEO Giordano Albertazzi. A very good response to your earnings, and obviously the demand is there, but we'll get to the Elon and space question in a moment. I'm just very interested to know if you've seen any indication, Gio, that there is a plateauing, I won't say slowing down, but a plateauing of interest in spend.
Liz, you said it earlier. We see unprecedented amount of capex being poured in the market by the hyperscalers. We see a lot of very encouraging signs that their market, their demand in terms of AI modernization is going fast. So we truly believe that this is a long-term trend. This is a secular trend, and this is the beginning of it.
And you guys are not some Johnny-come-lately. You've been in the business for 60 years. So you've been around, you've been through booms and busts. This time around, your orders are up 117% sequentially, quarter over quarter. Very impressive. Backlog jumped to $15 billion. Let's talk a little bit about what is out there when it comes to the demand. I mean, you saw Google, Microsoft, these are the hyperscalers, Amazon. They are looking to spend so much to build these things. You're telling me right now you're having no problem sourcing all of the material you need to build the stacks, to build your servers and everything that you do to put inside these data centers?
Sure. So in our case is the power and thermal infrastructure, prefabrication of data centers. And again, this is not happening just now. This comes from afar. We've been preparing. We are constantly expanding our capacity and working with our suppliers to make sure that we have capacity to support the demand. And indeed, the very strong growth numbers that you have indicated, that you explained with our orders growth and our backlog growth. So again, it's not only that we come from far away, decades in the business, but especially are very focused in the present and in the future. We've been constantly expanding and growing capacity, so ready for further growth.
Elon Musk wants to put data centers in space, right? So have you been looking into that? How would you be able to do what you do, but up in orbit?
Look, the amazing thing about our industry that is so dynamic. I mean, technology is changing every day, and that's true on Earth. And now it looks like that it's really a three-dimensional universe that we're that is interested in data centers. So just like we do normally, but at speed and at scale, figure out what the next technology is, but the next. Not only the next, but the next to next 2, 3, 4 years out. And we're there. We are investing. Our investment in engineering and R&D is growing more than 20% a year. And so technology is our core, is our friend. And we're looking forward to see what the next frontiers will be.
Well, Gio, with the stock hitting an all-time high, gaining 24% today, we are all over the Vertiv story. As you know, you've been on the show. We will continue to tell that story. Thank you so much. All right, market.